Yo guys, it's Navi here. Today's video I'm gonna be trying to remove the ABS right here as well as my brake booster, and I'm gonna be taking off these lines, and I will pressure wash slash use a brake cleaner to clean the engine. I have some acid as well my friend gave me. We're gonna be trying those things to pretty much clean all that out. Let's get to cleaning and try to get that motor back in as soon as possible, and maybe we can get the car running this week. That would be nice. And yeah, so let's get to it. So I believe this is a 12mm bolt, and there's one down there. There's supposed to be one right there. I don't know if you guys can see. Remove these hoses. One right there. Once I remove those three, this should pop out. Before I do that, I do need to disconnect these. So I'm pretty much going to be using a 10mm. Let's try it out and see. So this was 10mm right here. I go ahead and loosen this up. This one as well. It's pretty loosened. You got to be very careful. These seem to be stripping very easily. And I'm going to use 10mm here. Oh god, okay. Hit my hand a little bit, but okay. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out real quick. Remove these, and as well as get to these two afterwards. Secured. Bought this straight from like Walmart. It was like $6 or something. And we're gonna get the one that's up in the bottom here. Hopefully my gun can get to it. Okay, looks like we need a big extension. There's my big extension right here. Okay. I'm gonna bring this camera here real quick. Put this on. There is an issue. There's always an issue. These lines are like, I don't know who put them in, but they're so tight I just can't even get them off. So I might just have to cut this one. I don't know. I just put some WD-40 here. Also, obviously I got this one, and then I got this one. I even got the back one out. It's just freaking this one is starting to strip a lot, so I might have to cut it out. See, that wasn't too bad. Cut it like right there. I'm just gonna use a 10mm and try to get that off. I think it was it. Got the ABS removed. It's right here. Oh my god, this thing is so freaking heavy. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay. My ABS did function properly, but yeah, so that will be up for sale if you want to buy it. Came off in 1993 FD. Let me know in the comment section below if you want it. I'll throw in the brake booster as well. You already know. We're gonna be trying removing the brake booster, and we're gonna do that by going inside, going by the pedal, and remove. I already removed this pin. Oh fuck. Yeah, this pin, sorry, it's like a mess in here, which was right here connected to the OEM one. It's really dark in here, but there is 4 bolts right here. One, I think it's a 12mm as well. Maybe it looks like maybe 14, hard to see. I'm gonna remove these 4, and I should be able to pull the brake booster out. So I got the inside bolts out. It looks pretty loose from here. I'm just gonna try pulling it off. Baby, that was easy. So much freaking space. Oh my god, I feel so relieved. Right here, it was just 4 12mm bolts, and then there was a pin, kind of like a cotton pin. I got rid of that. I should have drained the fluid, but I can't find my full fluid drainer. And that's pretty much how you do a ABS delete and a brake booster delete. I go ahead and covered that area as well as that area with some tissue, so the water doesn't get through firewall, and it turns out nice. And I'm just gonna spray it all on, wait it out for a little bit. This is what I will be spraying. I'll show you guys. Purple Power is the fluid I'm going to be using. The pressure washer ready right here, and I sprayed it all down. It should be ready to go. I waited about like good 10 minutes, and I'm gonna pressure wash this and see where we're at. I even sprayed this down by underneath the fenders. Hopefully everything's nice and secured there, and I'm gonna probably wipe everything down so it doesn't rust. So this is what it looks like after first round of pressure wash, and it looks pretty freaking darn clean. I just gotta go over it one more time, get the small spots in. I'm gonna just get like a little brush, spray some degreaser on. Yeah, that's my dog yawning. And I'm gonna use one of the brushes, make sure I get it in there. And it's looking nice. I'm so happy. I wish I moved this part a little bit back, but it should be good. It's coming in clutch. So next step is, I have this wiring cover or sleeve, whatever you want to call it. I bought this from Amazon. I think it's like 25 feet. It's like $15 or something. So I'm going to be putting that all over my OEM harness, make it look nice and clean. Before I end this video, I gotta show you how the wire looks. So this is the OEM, as you can see still, and this is what I've done so far. I've zip tied it around one of the air corners. It looks really clean. I would highly recommend it. So it looks, and also I would not be painting the engine bay. I decided it's just way too much work, and honestly it looks really clean how it is already. I didn't know it was gonna look this clean. So before you guys paint your engine bay, make sure you grease it up, power wash it, and then decide. I feel like that would definitely change your mind big time. And that is it for this video. Leave any suggestions down below if I can, suggestions on how to properly wire tuck. I'm gonna try my best to do it, but I'll figure it out. And